and this is so hard because a lot of us put this between, oh, you know, you're a liberal, you're a Democrat, you're a conservative, you're a Republican. Well, I'm a patriot, and I'm sure most of you are patriots too. We don't fall in with the Democrats, and we sure don't fall in with the liberals. And as far as the Republicans go, I mean, we kind of hang out with them, but we're like the nerdy kid in high school, and they're like the only girl that'll go with us to the dance, to the prom. I mean, she talks bad about us in front of us and to her friends. She treats us like dirt. I was going to say treats us like something else, but yeah, I have a tendency to swear, Dorothy. This is my only way of getting out of it. I was going to donate it to the Patriot Connectors, but since they say they don't take money, I guess I'll give it to my church, so God will forgive me. They treat us like crap. They're rude, and the only reason we'll hang out with them is because, hey, we get to go to the dance, and there's an outside chance we might be able to touch her boob. You know, so that's why we're there. But we have no home. Patriots have no political party. But that doesn't mean we don't have political might.